सो जय हिंद टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम समझेंगे कि किस तरह से पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिथम वर्क करती हैं। तो नंबर ऑफ पेज फॉल्ट को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जनरली हम पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिथम का यूज करते हैं। वैसे तो बहुत सारी पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिथम अवेलेबल हैं, जिनमें से 3 बेसिक एल्गोरिथम्स को अभी हम स्टडी करेंगे। तो पेज फॉल्ट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जो एल्गोरिथम है, that is number 1 algorithm, that is first in first out algorithm, and that is commonly known as the FIFO page replacement algorithm. Then second is the optimal page replacement algorithm, and the third algorithm is basically known as the least recently used page replacement algorithm, that is the LRU algorithm. So basically, whenever we want to find out the number of pages, number of page fault, then we can use any of the algorithm whatever we have right now. So first of all, we want to see that how we will use the page replacement algorithm, that is basically known as the first in first out. So how we will use the first in first out algorithm, we want to use that, है ना? So how we will use the algorithm? So first of all, we have a need that page reference string should be there, which we want to search. So page reference string should be there. So what is this? We have to think over it, or this has been given in the question in itself. And also the number of frames are what? How many frames we are taking in the memory, in the RAM, that also has to be given at here. So the 2 parameter, number of frames available, that will be given to you, as well as the reference string from where you want to find out the page fault has also have to be given at here. So I am taking one of the reference string which we want to search inside the RAM of the number of pages, and on behalf of that we will find out that how many number of page fault are there wherever the frame has been given here. So the reference string we are taking here. So first of all, we want to take here the reference string. So the reference string is there 1 2 3 4 1. This is 2 5 1. एक यूनिवर्सिटी में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस को मैं आपसे यहाँ पर डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. Then after that 2 3 4 5. So this is the reference string has been given, and we are saying here that the number of frames available is equivalent to 3 here. Then we want to use the first in first out algorithm, and we want to find out the page fault available. So whenever we talk here about this reference string, we are making here the 3 frames. So we can make the 3 or 4 frames as per whatever the frames has been given to solve it. So 3 frames has been given. So we are making this. The 3 frames is available. So this is the 1 2 3. The 3 frames has been given. And number of page fault. We will represent via the plus symbol here. So this will be used as a plus symbol we will use here for representing that the page fault has been occurred here or not. If the page fault will occur, we will write the plus symbol. If the no page fault occur, then in that situation we will not write any of the symbol at here. And finally, whenever the page fault means to say all the reference string has been processed, means to say all the pages, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, like that, all the pages has been processed. We will count the plus available in this particular record, and how many plus symbol will be there, that will be the number of page fault available whenever we will use the FIFO, first in first out page replacement technique. So whenever we want to find out the page number 1, we find out that in the RAM there is no page available, the page number 1. So from the hard disk drive the page will pick up and will come inside the RAM. But whenever we are searching the page, we are saying that we don't get the page. So page fault will get occur. So we will write the symbol plus here, and the 1 will come inside the random access memory. Means to say this page is present in the random access memory right now from the hard disk drive. Now again we want to find out the page number 2 in the random access memory, but initially the RAM having only the 1 page, that is 1 which has been come first. Then after that page number 2 we want to search here, but page number 2 is not available in the frame. So what we have to do, we have to represent here plus symbol, page fault via the plus symbol, and we have to write this like this way. We have to write the 2 here, this is the 1 here, and we are saying the page fault is occur since 2 is not present in the memory current, and now the page 2 is present in the random access memory from the hard disk drive. Again, we want to search the page number 3, but we are getting the page number 3 is not present in the frames. So again, the page fault will get occur. So we have to write 3218 here. This plus will represent here. This plus will represent here the page fault. Again, the 4 came. We are saying here that 3 frames are available only, and in the 3 frames, in the initially, just before it, we have the page in the frames 3 to 1, but fourth page is not available here. So fourth page is not available here, so the page fault is get occurred. Page fault occur hua. What will happen? This 4 will come inside the memory, and the first phase that is algorithm is first in first out. The first page will be replaced from the frames. The first page will be replaced by the fourth frame here. Again, we want to search here 1, but we are seeing that 1 is not present here right now since the frames have been replaced. The page number 1 has been replaced by a 4, so 1 is not present in the random access memory. So we want to search again the 1. So we are saying the 1 is not present in the frame. So plus means to say page fault get occurred, and we have to replace the first in first out page. So second page is there that come first. So we will replace this 2, and this will be 143 will come at here, and now the pages available in the frames is 143. Again the 2 came. And if we are searching the 2 inside the frame, the 2 is also not presented here in the frame. So the page fault again occur, and we will replace the 3 since 3 is the first come page. So it has been replaced. So this is the 214 is there. Again page fault get occurred. Again we want to search out the 5. So 5 is not present in the frame. So the page fault will get occurred, and the 4 will be replaced here, and this will be the reference system will come in the frames like this style 5 to 1. Again the 1 came. 1 means if we talk here about the 1, then 1 is basically, if we talk here about the 1, one is present in the memory, means to say 1 is present in the random access memory, so that there is no page fault since already page 1 is presented there. So this is the 5 to 1 is there, no page fault will occur, so we will not use any of the plus symbol here. Again the 2 came, since 2 is also present in the memory. So 2, there is no page fault will get occurred again. So this is the 5 to 1 as it is, no page fault occur, so we are not using any of the plus symbol here. Again 3 came, then we are seeing that 3 is not present in the memory, but 1 is the first page. So this will be replaced here. So this is the 352 will be presented here, and the page fault will get occurred here, and we are representing this page fault by the plus symbol again here. Again the 4 came, 4 is not present in the frame. So what we are doing here? So 2 will be replaced by a 4. So this is the 4, 3, 5 is there. The page fault will get occurred since 4 is not present in the frames. So page fault will get occurred first. Then page number 2 will be replaced since 2 is the first page in between 3 and 5. Again 5 came. We are seeing that the frames already having the page number 5. So there is no page fault occur. And this is the 435 as it is. Now we are saying that all the reference string pages reference string has been processed. Now we have to represent here how many number of page fault are there. So we will count number of page fault. It will be represented here by the plus symbol. So how many plus symbols are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9 page faults are occur here, and this is the first in first out algorithm, and by using the first in first out algorithm we can calculate the number of page fault like this style. Thank you.